Hey everyone, it's Julie. Hope everyone's having a great day today. Today, I want to share with you my experience with this Revlon one-step volumizer hair dryer. I have curly hair that grows like to here. And I wanted to try out this blow dryer because I've been reading, and my sister also told me that this blow dryer is actually good. And I'm like, is it really good for my type of hair? Because my type of hair is not anyone else's type of hair. It is thick, curly, and long. So I'm gonna show you the entire process and let you know what I think about it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, share. Sharing is caring. So after I added all the product that I need to add into my hair, I am going to separate my hair into small sections because I have very long and thick hair. So I want to make the process much easier for me. All right, so now I'm going to start blow drying my hair with the Revlon one-step volumizer hair dryer. So it came out nice and smooth and soft. It took me a lot to actually dry it because, again, I have thick, coarse, long, curly hair. So you have to do it many times, but not too bad. This hair dryer can get so hot, so be careful. You might feel like you're burning your fingers. You probably are. it just took 1 hour to dry all of my hair. What do I think about the Revlon One Step hair dryer and volumizer? I do like it. It's not that bad. I thought it was not going to work with my type of hair, and it did, but I needed some extra help because my hair is so long and it's harder to blow dry. I had to use an additional comb, kind of like when I'm flat ironing. So that's my little tidbit with that if you're going to use it. And besides that, if you don't want to go to the hair salon and you just want to be at home and do it yourself, I don't find anything wrong with it. But I do like doing my roller and set at the Dominican hair salon. I grew up with it, love it, and it is better than that. So yeah, I mean, if you wanna do this at home and you can get to the hair salon, I recommend it.